Food is fundamental. It provides the energy to move, think, and live. But food is more than fuel. It impacts our health, our mood, and our well-being. Healthy eating is not about strict diets or deprivation. It's about nourishing your body with the right foods to thrive. This means consuming a variety of nutrient-rich foods that provide vitamins, minerals, and energy. Choosing healthy eating habits can be challenging in today's world of processed foods and fast-paced lifestyles. That's where tools like LifeSum can be incredibly helpful. LifeSum provides personalized guidance and support to make healthier choices easier. Remember, small changes can lead to big results. Every healthy meal is a step towards a healthier you. A balanced diet is the cornerstone of healthy eating. It's about consuming a variety of foods from all food groups in the right proportions. Imagine your plate divided into sections. Half of your plate should be filled with colorful vegetables and fruits. These provide essential vitamins, minerals, and fiber. Aim for at least 5 servings a day. 1/4 of your plate should consist of lean protein sources like fish, chicken, beans, or lentils. Protein is crucial for building and repairing tissues. The remaining quarter is for whole grains like brown rice, quinoa, or whole wheat bread. These provide energy and fiber. Remember, moderation is key. Enjoy treats occasionally, but focus on whole, unprocessed foods for the majority of your meals. Planning your meals in advance is one of the most effective ways to make healthy choices. It helps you stay organized, resist unhealthy temptations, and ensures you have nutritious options readily available. Start by creating a weekly meal plan. Include breakfast, lunch, dinner, and snacks. This doesn't have to be complicated. Keep it simple and incorporate foods you enjoy. Portion control is equally important. Even healthy foods can contribute to weight gain if consumed in excessive amounts. Use smaller plates, measure out servings, and listen to your body's hunger cues. Remember, it takes time for your stomach to signal your brain that you're full. Eat slowly, savor each bite, and stop eating when you're satisfied, not overly full. Grocery shopping can be overwhelming with countless food options lining the shelves. With so many choices, it's easy to feel lost and unsure about what to buy. But don't worry, we're here to help you navigate through the aisles and make smarter choices for a healthier lifestyle. Learning how to read food labels is crucial for making informed choices. Food labels provide essential information about the nutritional content of the products you consume. By understanding these labels, you can make better decisions that align with your dietary needs and health goals. Pay attention to the serving size. This is the first step in understanding the nutritional information provided. The serving size tells you the amount of food that the nutritional information is based on. All the information on the label is based on 1 serving. If you eat more or less than the serving size, you'll need to adjust the nutritional values accordingly. If you consume 2 servings, you're doubling the calories, fat, and sugar. This can quickly add up, especially if you're not paying attention to portion sizes. Check the calorie content per serving. Calories are a measure of the energy you get from food. Knowing the calorie content helps you manage your energy intake and maintain a healthy weight. This helps you stay within your daily calorie needs. Using tools like calorie tracking apps can make it easier to monitor your intake and stay on track with your health goals. Look at the amount of fat, saturated fat, trans fat, cholesterol, sodium, and added sugars. These nutrients can impact your health if consumed in excess. Aim for products lower in these nutrients. Choosing foods with lower amounts of unhealthy fats, sodium, and added sugars can help you maintain a balanced diet and reduce the risk of chronic diseases. Focus on the ingredient list. The ingredients are listed in descending order by weight, meaning the first few ingredients make up the majority of the product. Ingredients are listed in descending order of weight. This can help you identify if the product is made mostly of whole foods or if it contains a lot of artificial additives. Choose products with whole foods listed first and avoid long lists of artificial ingredients. Whole foods are generally more nutritious and better for your health. Remember, don't be fooled by marketing claims on the front of the package. These claims can be misleading and don't always reflect the true nutritional value of the product. Always read the nutrition label for accurate information. By taking the time to read and understand food labels, you can make smarter choices and take control of your health. Section 5. Staying hydrated. Water, your body's best friend. Water is essential for life. It is the most important nutrient for our bodies, and without it, we wouldn't survive for more than a few days. Every cell, tissue, and organ in our body needs water to function properly. It makes up about 60% of our body weight and plays a vital role in numerous bodily functions. From regulating body temperature to lubricating joints, water is involved in almost every aspect of our health. Staying hydrated is crucial for maintaining energy levels, regulating body temperature, flushing out toxins, and supporting digestion. When we are well hydrated, our bodies can perform at their best, whether we're working, exercising, or simply going about our daily activities. Aim to drink at least 8 glasses of water throughout the day. This helps ensure that your body gets the hydration it needs to function optimally. Remember, this is just a general guideline. Some people may need more or less depending on their activity level and environment. Carry a reusable water bottle with you and sip on it regularly. This not only helps you stay hydrated, but also reduces plastic waste, making it an environmentally friendly choice. You can also get fluids from other sources like fruits, vegetables, and herbal teas. Foods with high water content, such as cucumbers, oranges, and strawberries, can contribute to your daily hydration needs. Avoid sugary drinks like soda and juice, which can contribute to dehydration and weight gain. These beverages often contain high levels of sugar and calories, which can have negative effects on your health. Remember, thirst is a sign that your body is already dehydrated. By the time you feel thirsty, you may have already lost a significant amount of water, so it's important to drink water regularly throughout the day. Don't wait until you're thirsty to drink water. Make it a habit to take small sips throughout the day, especially during physical activities or in hot weather. Make it a habit to stay consistently hydrated throughout the day. Your body will thank you for it, and you'll feel more energized, focused, and ready to take on whatever comes your way. Section 6. Navigating social situations. Healthy eating on the go. Maintaining healthy eating habits can be challenging in social situations. Restaurant meals, parties, and events often present temptations that can derail your progress. When eating out, look for restaurants that offer healthy options. Don't be afraid to ask for modifications to dishes, such as grilled instead of fried or dressing on the side. At parties, focus on filling your plate with vegetables, fruits, and lean protein sources before indulging in less healthy options. If you're short on time, pack your own healthy snacks and meals to avoid relying on fast food or convenience stores. Remember, it's okay to indulge occasionally. Don't deprive yourself or feel guilty about enjoying social events. The key is to make conscious choices and practice moderation. Section 7. Motivation and Mindset, Overcoming Challenges. In this section, we will explore the various ways to stay motivated and maintain a positive mindset while overcoming challenges. It's important to remember that every journey has its ups and downs, and the key to success is perseverance and resilience. Changing eating habits takes time and effort. It's not something that happens overnight. You need to be patient with yourself and understand that it's a gradual process. Start by making small changes like incorporating more fruits and vegetables into your meals or reducing your intake of sugary drinks. There will be challenges along the way, but it's important to stay motivated and focus on your goals. Keep reminders of why you started this journey in the first place. Whether it's a motivational quote, a picture, or a note, these small reminders can help keep you on track. Set realistic goals and break them down into smaller, achievable steps. This makes the process less overwhelming and more manageable. For example, if your goal is to eat healthier, start by planning your meals for the week and gradually incorporate more nutritious options. Don't try to change everything at once. It's easy to get overwhelmed if you take on too much too quickly. Focus on 1 or 2 areas at a time and build from there. This approach increases your chances of long-term success. Start with 1 or 2 healthy habits and gradually incorporate more. Find a support system. Having people who encourage and support you can make a significant difference. They can provide motivation, share tips, and help you stay accountable. Share your goals with friends, family, or a healthcare professional. They can offer valuable advice and support. Sometimes, just talking about your goals can make them feel more real and attainable. Surround yourself with people who encourage and support your healthy choices. Being in a positive environment can boost your motivation and help you stay committed to your goals. Celebrate your successes, no matter how small. Every step forward is progress. Acknowledge your achievements and reward yourself for your hard work. This can help keep you motivated and focused on your goals. Every healthy meal, Every glass of water, and every healthy choice you make is a step in the right direction. These small actions add up over time and contribute to your overall well-being. Remember, setbacks are a normal part of the journey. They are not a sign of failure, but an opportunity to learn and grow. Reflect on what went wrong and how you can improve moving forward. Don't let them discourage you. Instead, use them as a stepping stone to become stronger and more resilient. Take a moment to breathe, relax, and refocus on your goals. Learn from them, adjust your approach if needed, and keep moving forward. The journey to a healthier lifestyle is a marathon, not a sprint. Stay committed, stay positive, and you will achieve your goals. Section 8. Reap the rewards, long-term benefits, and lifetime support. Maintaining healthy eating habits offers numerous long-term benefits. It can help you achieve and maintain a healthy weight, reduce your risk of chronic diseases, improve your energy levels, enhance your mood, and promote overall well-being. Remember, healthy eating is not a destination, it's a journey. It's about making sustainable changes to your lifestyle that you can maintain over the long term. LifeSum can be an invaluable tool on this journey. With its personalized meal plans, calorie tracking, recipe ideas, and educational content, LifeSum provides the support and guidance you need to succeed. Start small, stay consistent, and enjoy the journey to a healthier, happier you. LifeSum is here to help you every step of the way.